Richie Panici! Hi, my name's Orion.
같은 학교 친구인 셀리를 짝사랑하는 소심하고 겁 많은 소년 오리온.
So that's why I'm walking up to you right now and walking right past you. Why, you ask? Because, Sally, I'm afraid. Afraid of what, you want to know? So much, really. It's most things, to be candid.
그의 일상은 무서운 일들로 가득했는데요.
The school counselor told me to document my fears in some form. That's why I keep a sketchbook. It's my way of trying to manage my issues. Take page 14, for example. My fear of clogging the toilet.
주인공은 변기가 막히는 것도
I'm also afraid of giving the wrong answer in class. Miss Spinoza usually calls on kids who don't raise their hand.
수업 시간에 틀린 대답을 하는 것도
Everyone would laugh. Falling off a skyscraper, mosquito bites getting infected. Murderous gutter clowns are high on my list. Bees, dogs, the ocean. I'm afraid of being responsible for my teammates. And of course,
탈의실조차도 무서운 게 너무나도 많은 소년이었지만
Well, well, well. Look who it is! Ryan Orion!
그 중에서도 가장 무서운 존재는 자신을 괴롭히는 리치 파니치라는 나쁜 친구였죠.
What's that pad you always got? I'm afraid of
그는 오리온을 울보라고 놀리고 스케치북을 빼앗으려까지 했지만
Wait, you drew me dead! No one draws me dead! I'm hereby pontificating this on account of its rudeness to me, Richie Panici.
겁에 질린 주인공은 아무 말도 하지 못했습니다.
Hey Orion! I'm super excited for the field trip. So, I was wondering if maybe you wanted to sit together?
if I weren't so scared, I'd tell you of course I do, Sally. Of course I want to hang out with you. To be frank, I've never wanted anything more. We have.
Oh, that's my mom. I gotta go.
설상가상으로 자기가 좋아하는 셀리의 짝꿍 제안에도 긴장한 탓에 제대로 대답하지 못했죠.
Good night, Orion.
그날 밤
Wait! How about a quick bedtime story?
어둠이 몹시 두려운 오리온은 혼자 자는 게 너무 싫었지만
You know we'll always be here for you, Orion.
이제는 스스로 밤을 견뎌야 할 나이였기에 홀로 잠자리에 들어야만 했는데요.
Night, Dad. This is bad. Very, very bad. It's literally the worst. Because of all the things I'm afraid of, I'm most afraid of the dark.
칠흑 같은 어둠 속
It's an old house. House is settled. My parents have work in the morning. They need their rest. Can't I just put myself in their shoes for once? No, 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 no!
두려움에 떨며 어둠을 향해 저주를 퍼붓던 순간
Curse you, darkness! What cruel aberrations hide within your inky cloak of darkness? Why can't you just leave me alone?
어둠이 형체를 갖추고 그의 눈앞에 모습을 드러내고 말았습니다.
Okay, that's it. I've had it with you.
What are you?
Isn't that obvious? Oh, I'm dark. Ta-da! There it is again. Of all the kids who are terrified of the dark, you are by far the loudest, the most obnoxious, and millions of people are afraid of the dark. List? Do you know how many kids are afraid of me? It's giving me a complex.
그저 맡은 일을 하며 존재해왔을 뿐인데 늘 그를 두려워하고 나쁜 존재라 여기며 멀리하는 사람들의 시선 속에서 오래전부터 상처받아온 어둠.
Listen, I didn't ask to be a supernatural entity that evokes dread and despair. Truth is, almost everyone is scared of me, or hates me, or thinks I'm evil. Some people think I'm nothing. Hurts a guy. You know, and I like people. That's the thing. I just wish people would give me a chance.
I know how you feel. A lot of kids at school pick on me too. Richie Panici, Davis Jensen, Howard Hellstrom, Isaac Pill, Rebecca Warren.
셀리와 짝꿍을 하고 싶었던 오리온은 용기가 필요했고
I'm super excited for the field trip. So, I was wondering if maybe you wanted to sit together?
I just want to not be afraid anymore.
그때 어둠은 자신이 일하는 모습을 지켜본다면 두려움을 극복할 수 있을 거라며 하룻밤 동안 함께해달라는 제안을 건넸죠.
Are you in or are you in?
I'm
Hey, Ryan.
Ryan, wear pants much?
Hey, Ryan.
Okay, I'll go.
I knew you'd come around.
처음으로 어둠과 마주할 용기를 낸 주인공.
I know what you're doing, Dad. You're telling me a story about how you overcame your fear of the dark to try and help me overcome my fear of the dark.
I'm not doing anything.
Yes, you are, but it's not gonna work.
그날 이후 두려움을 극복할 수 있었던 주인공은 시간이 흘러 자신의 딸에게 그 이야기를 들려주며 어둠이 결코 두렵기만 한 존재가 아니라는 것을 알려주기 위해 애쓰고 있었는데요.
A poet. I love that.
It's one poem, Dad.
I think that counts.
All I'm saying is that fear of the dark is natural. So, you and Dark were flying off into the night.
Dark and I were flying off into the night.
이어지는 그날의 이야기.
Pretty great, right? The virtues of night. Hey, pretty awesome, huh?
Hey, I'm allergic to dying.
You're allergic.
빠른 속도로 날아오른 어둠은 자신을 제외한 모든 것들을 반짝이게 만들며 밤하늘을 아름답게 수놓았습니다.
No, so you can see the beauty.
깊고 고요한 밤바다의 아름다움.
Look at that. You can't have fireworks without the dark.
Technically, you can set them off at any time of day.
Yeah, I guess. Be pretty lame though. Beauty is in the contract.
폭죽을 더욱 눈부시게 해주는 어둠.
The day of all time, because that's what you are when there's no.
별자리의 신비함까지 알려주며
Okay, so we got off to a little bit of a shake. I show up every night and I bring it.
Bring what?
Dark. And it's probably the most important job too, because without darkness, the others don't get to do their bits.
What do you mean, the others?
다른 밤에 존재들이 있는 곳으로 날아가기 시작하죠.
Raise. In or out insomnia?
고속도로의 작은 카페 안에는 불면증,
Call. You're up.
좋은 꿈,
What?
잠,
Royal flush? Unbelievable.
조용히
What happened? What did I miss?
You won.
Oh, wonderful. Pleasure doing.
정체 모를 소음 같은 밤에 존재들이 모여 있었는데요.
Wait, why are we going in here?
Well, kid, it's break time.
인간 아이를 데려온 어둠.
Welcome back. You brought the kid?
Dog brought the kids.
Irresponsible.
소년을 본 밤의 존재들은 함부로 규칙을 어긴 그에게 화를 내기 시작합니다.
Is this your latest attempt at trying to convince the world that you're not so bad? I'm sorry, honey, but Dark never should have brought you here. You're just gonna have to find your own way home, okay? Now, come on, everyone. Break time's over.
Wait!
아이가 밤을 두려워하지 않도록 도와주자고 부탁하는 어둠.
I got 24 hours with this kid. We help him overcome his fear of the dark and all his nightly screaming, and all the interference with your jobs just goes away.
All right, fine. Just make sure he stays out of my hair.
Absolutely. Not a problem. Won't be in your hair at all.
두 사람은 가장 먼저 잠을 찾아가지만
Sleep is responsible for making sure all the creatures of the world go to sleep at night.
What?
Oh, don't worry. She's a professional. And it's a magic.
잠은 다소 과격한 방법으로 사람들을 재우기 시작했고
Oh my god.
You're a cutie pie, aren't you?
No! Stop!
그 모습에 놀란 오리온은 크게 소리치고 말았죠.
Okay, smothering someone with a pillow, chloroform, a hammer.
Listen, I've been doing this job for thousands of years.
그 탓에 일이 꼬일 뻔한 잠.
Thanks for letting us see how the sausage gets made.
I don't know if I'll ever be able to sleep again.
Right. Well, if you're staying up all night, then I've got just the...
당황한 어둠은 재빠르게 주인공을 데리고 두 번째 밤의 존재인 불면증을 찾아 나서기 시작하는데요.
And learn.
Why did I say that to Michelle?
She's gonna think I'm an idiot.
Well, I'm pretty sure I'm getting fired.
I'm never gonna meet my deadline.
All those sleepless nights were because of him? What a...
사람의 목소리를 흉내내며 마음속 깊은 곳에 숨어있던 불안과 걱정, 부정적인 생각들을 떠올리게 만드는 불면증.
Don't follow me around with this kid anymore, Dark, okay? He's very judgy.
I'm not judgy. Am I?
그는 두려움을 극복하는 것에 도움이 되지 않을 것 같아 곧장 오리온을 데리고 다음 친구인 조용히를 찾아갑니다. 도시의 소음조차 단숨에 삼켜버리는 존재.
It's too quiet! Quiet!
그러나 숨막힐 듯한 고요를 견디지 못한 오리온 때문에 고요가 깨져버리고
Uh-huh. 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 Mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
What'd she say?
결국 화가 난 조용히에게 쫓겨난 두 사람은 다음 밤에 존재인 정체불명의 소음에게 찾아가게 되지만
Hey, what's up?
I'm thinking this moment calls for a crunching sound.
What was that? Mommy, Daddy, I'm hearing noise.
그도 도움이 되지 않기는 마찬가지였고 결국 마지막 희망을 걸고 좋은 꿈을 찾아 나서죠.
Hold on tight. Ah, there she is.
사람들의 무의식 속으로 들어가 원하는 바를 이루는 꿈을 꾸게 해주는 좋은 꿈.
All right. What's churning in your subconscious tonight, Irene? Big presentation tomorrow. Your presentation.
Yeah, she's pretty great.
Told ya.
You know, this reminds me of a dream I had where I was giving a class presentation, but instead of cheering, everyone was...
하지만
And the weirdest part was, my classroom was actually a dentist's office.
What the heck is going on?
함께 무의식에 발을 들인 오리온의 불안과 두려움이 퍼져나가며 꿈의 세계가 오염되어 버리고 마는데요.
That means anything you say or even think could influence the dream.
자신의 상상이 현실이 된다는 것을 깨달은 순간 부정적인 상상이 폭발해버리고
Pants much? I'm afraid of Vinci Panici!
I mean, he can't, like, get hurt or anything, can he?
No, it's impossible to get hurt in a dream.
Oh, well, that's a relief.
Unless, of course, he dies. Then he dies in real life.
Wait, what?
자칫 잘못하면 죽을 수도 있는 위험한 상황이 되어버렸습니다.
Wait! Page 14 of my sketchbook! Clogging the toilet and flooding the entire school!
또 다른 상상을 이용해 가까스로 벗어나는 것에 성공한 주인공.
That could have been a disaster.
부정적인 상상력에는 조금 문제가 있지만 더 이상 어둠 자체를 두려워하지 않고 있다는 사실을 깨닫게 되고
You're not so afraid of me. See?
다시 시작한 어둠과의 여정은 두려움이 아닌 즐거움으로 다가오기 시작했는데요. 드디어 밤의 아름다움을 깨닫게 된 소년.
A robot waiting for a hug.
Well, you finished the story.
Oh, really?
So, like, we could be in the night, like Orion and Dark.
Yeah, sure.
그러나 어른이 된 오리온과 그의 딸 히파티도 여전히 어둠이 무서워 밝은 곳을 찾고 싶은 것은 마찬가지였죠.
You know what? I think I like the other way better.
Agreed.
다 함께 깊고 짙은 어둠 속으로 향하던 길. 그 순간 오리온은 또다시 두려움에 휩싸여 그만 빛이 더 좋다는 말을 내뱉어버리고
Noises, birds, children playing, brunch.
It sounds amazing.
It is, and you're definitely missing out. Like in the daytime, there's this sense of connection between the sounds and colors. Everything is lit up in the daytime. It's almost psychedelic. Reds, greens, yellows, violets.
빛의 아름다움에 대해 이야기하고 마는데요.
I'm quitting too. I'm sick of living in your shadow.
Dreams, please.
그의 말에 의해 낮의 세계가 궁금해져 버린 친구들은 결국 어둠을 떠나기로 결심해버리고 맙니다.
I'm not going on. I'm going to sit on this, whatever it is. Rock? I don't know. I don't think it's alive. I'm going to sit right here on this thing and wait for daylight.
모두가 떠난 뒤 영영 홀로 떠돌게 되어버린 어둠. 지친 그는 모두에게 미움받고 외면당하는 삶을 내려놓으며 영원히 소멸되는 길을 선택하고 말았죠.
Yeah, but then what?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
이야기를 들려주던 오리온은 그 이후의 결말을 알지 못했는데요.
That's not a good ending. Maybe I have an idea about where the story could go.
Oh, yeah? Let's hear it.
Okay, so I show up.
You?
Do you not like it?
Oh, I love it. Keep going.
그러자 곁에서 듣던 딸이 상상의 나래를 펼치며 자신이 직접 이야기 속의 등장의 이야기를 이어갑니다.
Hello, I'm Hypatia.
어둠이 사라진 후 알 수 없는 곳에 표류된 주인공 앞에 나타난 히파티.
Without night, people won't be able to sleep, and without sleep, everyone's gonna go crazy.
소녀는 밤이 사라진 끝없는 빛에 갇혀 쉼조차 없는 세계.
Maybe the world has become too bright, too loud, too selfish, and
고요도, 꿈도, 위로도 존재하지 않는
Possible apocalyptic event which is creating a climate with catastrophic consequences in the absence of
혼란과 소란만이 가득한 끔찍한 세상에 대해 이야기하며 어둠이 가진 소중한 의미를 일깨워 주었고
I once thought quiet the absence of sound.
흩어졌던 밤의 존재들을 불러오는 것에 성공할 수 있었죠.
Dark is still very much alive in your memory.
어둠을 되찾기로 결심한 주인공과 밤의 존재들.
Great job, Sleep.
그들은 꿈의 힘을 빌려 소년의 기억 속에 남아있는 어둠을 찾아 나서고 모두의 도움으로 처음 어둠을 만났던 날로 돌아가는 데 성공했지만
You're in your bedroom. You see an ominous form taking shape out of the very darkness.
Dark!
Oh, Ryan! You came back for me.
Of course I did. You're my friend.
그 순간 오리온의 마음속 깊은 두려움이 폭발하며 모든 것을 삼켜버리고 어둠은 진정으로 소멸되기 직전에 몰리게 되어버리고 마는데요.
This isn't your head, Orion! You're the only one who can stop it!
You have to go in there and pull him out.
어둠을 구하기 위해 목숨을 건 주인공.
Good luck, Orion.
두 사람 모두 소멸 직전의 위기에 빠진 순간
It's been a pleasure knowing you, Orion.
The pleasure is all mine.
Wake up, Orion! Come on, wake up! Come on.
조용히가 다가와 오리온의 진실 어린 소망을 건드립니다.
Orion, if you don't wake up, you're going to miss your field trip. You're going to miss your field trip.
Sally!
그때 소년의 눈이 번쩍 뜨이고 마침내 잃어버린 어둠이 다시 돌아올 수 있게 되었죠. 어둠이 돌아온 세상. 별빛은 더욱 반짝였고
That's some nice work.
꿈은 더 깊어졌으며 세상의 혼란은 사라지게 되었고 두려움 속에 숨어있던 어둠은 사실 자신을 지켜주고 이끌어주던 또 다른 빛이었다는 사실을 깨닫게 되며
Bye, Orion. It's been a dream spending the night with you.
It really has.
Good night, Hypatia.
Good night, Mom.
내 친구는 어둠은 끝이 납니다.